Yingfeng Textile, Nanjing Company Limited was established in 2010, also called Wingtex, is a professional textile manufacturer with OEK OTEX Standard 100 certificate. We focus on stretch knitted fabrics, including two-way tricot, power mesh, stretch satin, single jersey, interlock, rib, jacquard composed by nylon, spandex, polyester, spandex, 100% polyester, cotton, spandex and rayon, spandex. They are widely used for sportswear, swimwear, lingerie, underwear, leggings and yoga wear. Every year, we take part in fabric exhibitions in Vietnam, UAE and Russia. We have been a stable supplier for Triumph, Wacoal, M&S, Calvin Klein and other brands domestically and abroad. Our laboratory is used to test the color fastness, stretch, modulus, recovery, yellowing and many other chemical and physical properties according to customers' needs. In terms of fabric inspection, we use International 4-point inspection system to check every yard. The leader of Wingtex team has been devoted to textile industry for over 30 years. We have supplied thousands of items and grown up with customers. Also, we have developed hundreds of new items according to customers' demands. Your fabric customization for color, pattern, finish process, and other needs are welcomed. The 24-hour service is provided. Any inquiry will be replied at a short time. Looking forward to your inquiry.